Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we move to Unit 5, Let's Buy Presents, Lesson 4, Phonics, on page 37. Let's open your student book.
Firstly, I have a game for you. Stop the bus. In class, I divide the class into two teams. But now you stay at home. So I will show a part of a picture. You must say the word before I give the answer. If you can say correctly 3 pictures, you become winner. Now look at the picture under a rectangle here. Which word can you say? Now we check.
Neighbor, neighbor.
Are you correct? Yes, good. So, which word?
Tie, tie.
Are you correct? Yes. Very good. These are a kind of food. Some people eat them when they are watching the TV or they are watching movies. So, what's word?
Nuts, nuts.
Alright. If you can answer 3 words correctly, you become winner. Now, look at part 1 in your book. Listen, point, and repeat.
Listening 55. Listen
55.
and point.
Listen
Cl-
and point.
cloud,
Cl, cloud.
cl, clock,
Cl, clock.
gl, gloves,
Gl, gloves.
gl, glue,
Gl, glue.
sl, slide,
Slide.
sl, slippers,
Slippers.
gl, gloves,
Gl, gloves.
cl, cloud,
Cl, cloud.
sl, slide,
Slide.
cl, clock,
Cl, clock.
sl, slippers,
Slippers.
gl, glue,
Gl, glue.
Listen and repeat.
Listen
Cl,
and repeat.
cloud,
Cl, cloud.
cl, clock,
Cl, clock.
gl, gloves,
Gl, gloves.
gl, glue,
Gl, glue.
sl, slide,
Slide.
sl, slippers,
Slippers.
Alright. Cloud, đám mây. Clock, đồng hồ treo tường. Gloves, đôi găng tay. Glue, keo, dán. Slide, cầu tuột. Nếu là động từ nó có nghĩa là trượt hoặc là tuột. Slippers, đôi dép. Copy down the words and the sound in your notebook. Part 2. Listen and chant.
Listening 56. Listen and
56.
chant.
Listen and chant.
I take off my slippers. I go outside. I put on my gloves and I play on the slide. I look at the clock. I see clouds in the sky. Time to take off my gloves. Time to say goodbye.
Time to say goodbye.
chant again. Circle the sounds. Gl, gl, and sl. For example, slipper, circle sl in the words. And then when you finish, we check the answer key.
Listening 57. Listen to the sounds
Listen
and
to the
connect
sound,
the
connect
letters.
What does the girl
Slip.
have?
Slippers.
Listening 57.
Gl,
Listen to
gloves.
the sounds and connect the letters.
cl,
Slip,
clock.
slippers,
Gl, gloves.
gloves,
Sl,
cl,
slippers.
clock,
Cl,
gl,
clock.
gloves,
Sl,
slip,
slippers.
slippers, cl, clock, slip, slippers.
Listen again.
Listening 57. Listen to the sounds and connect the letters. Slip, slippers, gl, gloves, cl, clock, gl, gloves, slip, slippers, cl, clock, slip, slippers.
Alright. So, what does the girl have? Slippers. Yes, that's right. We check. Check out your workbook, page 37, part 1. Say the words. Circle the word that begins with a different sound. Number 1 is an example. Các bạn nói những cái từ này lên. Sau đó khoanh tròn cái từ mà bắt đầu với một cái âm khác. Ví dụ number 1, gloves, glue, nó cùng âm làm gl. Và cái từ clock, âm cl. Thì các bạn làm tương tự như vậy từ câu 2 đến câu 4. Part 2, write the missing letters. Viết những cái âm còn thiếu ở trong mỗi một cái từ ở đây. Mình sẽ chọn trong 3 âm trong cái khung ta cho sẵn. Part 3, write. So, you must choose the correct word and you fill in the blanks from number 2 to number 5. And when we finish, we check answer key. Alright, thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you again. Have fun.
Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you. Today we move to lesson 5. Let's open your student book, page 38, please.
I have a game for you. Hiding game. Each turn, I will show a part of a picture. You will speak out the word correctly, and you get 2 points. But if you say incorrectly, I will show more parts of the picture. When you say correctly in the second time, you only get 1 point. In class, there are 2 teams. Which team gets a priority spits out the word. Each turn, there is a student who represents of his or her team say the word. Which team has more points becomes winner. Mỗi một lượt thì cô sẽ trình chiếu một cái phần của một bức tranh. Thì bạn sẽ nói to ra cái từ đó Nếu như các bạn nói đúng, các bạn được 2 điểm. Và nếu như các bạn mà nói không chính xác, nói sai thì cô sẽ trình chiếu thêm cho các bạn một phần nữa của bức tranh. Thì khi các bạn nói đúng lần thứ 2, bạn chỉ được 1 điểm thôi nha. Trong lớp thì mình sẽ chia 2 đội. Thì đội nào có cái quyền ưu tiên thì đội đó sẽ nói cái từ ra. Mỗi một lượt thì sẽ có một học sinh đại diện cho cái đội để mà nói cái từ đó. Đội nào thì có nhiều điểm hơn thì sẽ trở thành người chiến thắng. Ok, let's go.
Card. Card.
Are you correct? Yes, good. Which word can you say? Now we check.
Tie. Tie.
What are these? Now we check.
Nuts. Nuts.
Now, how do you say this word? I will show more parts of a picture.
Balloon. Balloon.
So now, today we study lesson 5, reading. These are some keywords. Cut, động từ. A square, danh từ có nghĩa hình vuông. Fold, động từ. Half, phân nửa. Ví dụ mình gấp đôi cái tờ giấy lại phân nửa. Thì trong bài này người ta có sử dụng cái mẫu đó. Fold, fold. The paper in half, có nghĩa là mình gấp cái tờ giấy lại phân nửa. Think about your mom, suy nghĩ về mẹ của bạn. Draw and color picture, vẽ và tô màu bức tranh. On the front of the card, ở mặt trước của cái thiệp. Open the card, mở thiệp ra. A big smile, nụ cười tươi nhất, thoải mái nhất. Thank you for everything you do for me, cảm ơn mẹ về mọi thứ mẹ làm cho con. Hoặc là cảm ơn người nào đó, mình cũng sử dụng cái mẫu này. Write your name, viết tên của bạn. Give the card to your mom, tặng thiệp cho mẹ bạn. So look at the pictures. Who is the card for? And you will know the answer when you see the title of the text. Make a card for your mom. So there are 6 pictures. We will listen to CD twice, and then you will read again, circle the correct word, and then you make a card.
Listening 58. Listen and read.
Make a card for your mom. 1. Cut a square of card. Fold it in half. 2. Think about your mom. What does she like? Does she like animals? Does she like sports? Or does she like flowers? 3. Draw and color a picture on the front of the card. 4. Now open the card. Draw a picture of you with a big smile. 5. Write in the card, "Dear Mom, thank you for everything you do for me." Then write your name. 6. Give the card to your mom.
Alright, listen. One more time and try to read, follow them.
Listening 58. Listen and read.
Make a card for your mom. 1. Cut a square of card. Fold it in half. 2. Think about your mom. What does she like? Does she like animals? Does she like sports? Or does she like flowers? 3. Draw and color a picture on the front of the card. 4. Now open the card. Draw a picture of you with a big smile. 5. Write in the card, "Dear Mom, thank you for everything you do for me." Then write your name. 6. Give the card to your mom.
Alright. So now try to remember all the steps in the test here. There are 6 steps to make a card for your mom. Try to remember. And now we move to part 3. Read again. Circle the correct word. Number 1 is an example. Draw a picture on the front of the card. So circle the correct word here, card, not cake. So try to finish correctly from number 2 to number 5. And then we will check answer key. Are you correct? Yes? Very good. Now, read and number. Number 1 is an example. So you must finish from number 2 to number 6 here. You read carefully and try to write the correct number. So number 2, what the sentence is next? We check. Yes. Think about your mom. What does she like? Does she like animals? Does she like sports? Or does she like flowers? So how about number 3? Now we check. Draw and color a picture on the front of the card. How about number 4? Now open the card. Draw a picture of you with a big smile. And number 5. Write in the card, "Dear Mom, thank you for everything you do for me." Then write your name. And the last one, 6. Give the card to your mom. Are you correct? Yes, good. So now, let's make a card for your mom. And when you finish to make a card for your mom, to check out your workbook. Part 1, read how to wrap a resin. How to wrap a present. Bằng cách nào để mà mình gói một món quà. This is a present for my friend Lynn. It's a box of candy. Đây là một món quà dành cho bạn của tôi, Linh. Đó là một cái hộp đựng kẹo. Thì trong bài này, bài đọc, người ta hướng dẫn các bạn những cái cách để mà chúng ta gói một món quà. Number 1, get paper. Lấy giấy ra. Lynn's favorite color is red. Màu yêu thích của Linh là màu đỏ. So, vì thế, this is red paper. Vì thế đây là cái màu, cái tờ giấy màu đỏ. Number 2, put the present on the paper. Để món quà ở trên cái tờ giấy. Number 3, fold the paper. Gấp cái tờ giấy lại. Number 4, tape the paper. Dán bằng cái keo dính lại. Dán cái tờ giấy bằng cái keo dính. Number 5, make triangles with the paper. Tạo thành những cái hình tam giác. Sau đó sẽ dán những cái hình tam giác đó lại. 6, tape the flowers on the present. Dán những cái bông hoa ở trên món quà. Linh likes flowers. Linh thích những bông hoa này. Write a card. My card say to Linh, you are a good friend from Thu. Viết trên cái thiệp. Cái thiệp nói là gửi tới Linh, bạn là một người bạn tốt. Sau đó là ghi from Thu, là từ cái người gửi là Thu. Rồi, part 2 các bạn, read again. Đọc lại, fill in the correct circle. It's very easy. You choose A or B, C. And then you finish, we check the answer key. Alright, thank you. Goodbye, see you again. Have fun. Morning, children. How are you? Today we study Unit 5, Lesson 6, page 39. Take care your same book. Firstly, I have a game for you. In this game, let's think about a party. Then we prepare something for that party. Each turn, there is a question on the screen. There are 4 answers. You must choose the correct answer. If you choose the wrong sentence, you will hear a strong sound. When you choose the correct sentence, a speaker will speak that sentence. You will get 2 points for each correct answer. If you can answer 4 questions, you become winner. Trong trò chơi này thì các bạn hãy suy nghĩ về một cái bữa tiệc ha. Thì chúng ta sẽ có một số thứ để chuẩn bị cho bữa tiệc đó. Thì mỗi một lượt chơi có một câu hỏi trên màn hình, có 4 câu trả lời, các bạn sẽ chọn cái câu đúng. Nếu như bạn chọn sai thì các bạn sẽ nghe một cái âm thanh rất là ghê, âm thanh mạnh lắm. Khi bạn chọn đúng thì bạn sẽ nghe được cái người nước ngoài người ta đọc nói cái câu đó lên. Thì mỗi lần bạn chọn đúng thì được 2 điểm. Nếu như bạn trả lời 4 câu hỏi thì bạn sẽ trở thành người chiến thắng. Now let's go. And your answer, which phrase?
Cakes and candies.
Excellent. Now we check.
A tie.
Decorate. It means trang trí, trang hoàng. And your answer is
With balloons.
now we check the answer.
My neighbors. Sending cards.
Are you correct on the sentences here? Yes, and you become winner. Now, look at your book part 1, listen and math. You will listen twice. And then you must finish matching from number 1 to number 4 with A, B, or C and D. Listen.
Listening 59. Listen and match. 1,
Let's buy a present for Trun. What does he like?
He doesn't like candy. He likes sports. He really likes soccer.
2,
What about Ling? What does she like?
She likes animals.
3,
Let's buy a present for Lum.
Lam doesn't like sports. He likes art.
4,
What about King? What does she like? Does she like candy?
Yes, she does. She likes candy a lot.
Listening 59. Listen and match. 1,
Let's buy a present for Trun. What does he like?
He doesn't like candy. He likes sports. He really likes soccer.
2,
What about Ling? What does she like?
She likes animals.
3,
Let's buy a present for Lum.
Lam doesn't like sports. He likes art.
4,
What about King? What does she like? Does she like candy?
Yes, she does. She likes candy a lot.
Now we check answer key. Part 2 speaking. Look at part 1 again. Ask and answer. For example, number 1. What does he like? He likes sports. So try to do from number 2 to number 4 here. So how do you say from number 2? What does she like? She likes animals. Yes. And then you do the same with number 3 and number 4. Part 3. Write about what you and your friend don't like. For example, I don't like art. My friend doesn't like candy. When you finish part 3, you move to part 4. Look again at 3 and write the long form. Nhìn lên lại ở phần 3 mình mới làm xong và viết cái câu dạng đầy đủ. Don't thì mình viết là do not, doesn't là viết does not. Check out your workbook, page 39, part 1. Write the long and short forms. Viết cái dạng đầy đủ hay là dạng viết tắt. Long form là dạng viết đầy đủ. Short form là dạng viết tắt. Thì ở đây do not là long form thì short form là don't. Does not long form, short form là doesn't. Các bạn viết câu lại ha. Cột bên trái là long form, cột bên phải là short form. Part 2. Think about a present for your mom. Circle the things she likes. Suy nghĩ về món quà dành cho mẹ của bạn. Khoanh tròn những cái thứ mà mẹ bạn thích. Part 3. Draw and write about presents for your mom. Vẽ và viết về những món quà dành cho mẹ của bạn. Các bạn sẽ vẽ ở cái khung bên trái. Sau đó chúng ta sẽ viết câu. We use likes and doesn't like to write the sentence. And when you finish on the exercise here, we check answer key. Alright, thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you again. Have fun.